All right, guys, so I'm at the shop and we got something interesting, which we're fixing to roll into the garage and show you guys. Bella's like, what's going on? Turn that off.
Again, it's not that heavy.
Well, fixing to pick this thing up. What even is this and what?
Believe it or not,
What?
it is your grandfather's car.
That's
kind of a family car.
That's interesting. Who would have thought?
It is, in fact, a 2016 S&W 4-link Dragster.
Yeah, it's got the 4-link tabs right there.
Although, yes, it does look like it's been sitting in the ditch for a while.
Yeah.
It has a ton of good parts.
It does have a lot of good parts, which will show.
This is our new 3rd-gen Camaro.
Yeah. Got an
If
old.
you've watched our channel, you know we can turn junk into fucking a jewel.
So that's what we're fixing to do with this. It's a 2016 or 2017.
2016 S&W.
Yeah. We got a rear end for it. Strange, like modular style rear end. Got a aluminum through bolt. 3rd member, which is nice, and then it has a bunch of other parts in the garage, which we'll show them.
Yeah, it's got everything, really.
Yeah, it's got a dash and all kinds of stuff. A dog came with it.
Come on with it.
You know, this is like mowing the grass, except it's with a
If your name
rail job.
If your name was Jebediah.
This is how the Amish do it. The Amish drag racing.
Yeah. Bella's like, what the hell?
So what is this? What is it? I gotta get in there. Gotta line it up.
You gonna go right in?
Oh, guess not.
That's my favorite.
Yeah, there's your rail job, buddy.
I'm happy.
Well, I guess I have to move the saw and wait. What do you think, Bella? Sniffing it out. Daisy's not here today. She hurt her paw and now she's in a donut. You gonna take a picture of your rear end?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a picture of you taking a picture of your rear end.
Okay. Bella's like, this would be like a pile of shit.
Like, what did you bring home? What's in the shop now? I know Daisy's gonna be sniffing this thing out Monday. She's gonna be like, what is all these new scents? What is this, another one of them rail jobs? You know, it kind of looks like a Horton the way it's kind of set up right there. I remember that. But it also reminds me of the Horton because of the front rims. Trying to figure out how to use that.
Yeah, I'm gonna put our hook right here too.
There's a little click. You know, we really need an open car trailer.
We
If
do.
only there was one that I knew about that
we
was
could
just
just
sitting in a
refurbish.
field that we
Yeah,
could just
I know.
refurbish, you know?
$100 that this cost me for the day, I could have put into tires.
Yeah. Well, we rented a U-Haul trailer and we're gonna go pick up an old an old gal named Miss Solara. Y'all remember that car? Maybe, I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. So we just got back from getting our open car trailer, and Papa just cracked open a Coke and looking at his Dragster. You learn anything good about this thing?
No.
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 So nothing good.
Nothing
Just
good.
bad.
Bad. Dragster.
Just Dragster. You got your phone sitting on your rear end.
What else can I do with it?
I don't know. Too deep in Diet Coke. Let's see what we're working with here. It's a little,
Rust.
Well, it's just surface rust. It's a good cleaning or a good shape or a good, brushing or powder coating or sandblasting. And it'll be, a lot of these parts we can make with the CNC. I know. That's cool, ain't it? And then we also have Christmas over here. These are all the parts that came with the car. It's like Dragster in a box. We got our seat here. Another panel of some sort. That's like the wiring panel. Fuel cell. Not sure what these guys are. Some metal stock of some sort. And in this box, we got some goodies. Let's see, we got just all the hardware that looks like it came off the car. Some lug nuts of some sort, which the battery on or off things, I guess. I don't know. But all kinds of just bags of stuff in there. And then in this guy, we got a fuse panel for a KNR switch panel, which is right here in the dash. And the brake pedal assembly. A tranny cooler for the transmission because we came with a glide, a shorty glide. And a couple other things, a Mac valve. Dragster steering wheel. It'll be interesting to let go of the train brake on the dragster steering wheel. I was just showing them.
You kind of want to scratch off with all these parts.
Yeah.
Not quite the lottery, but a scratch off.
I mean, yeah, it's a good scratch off. Apparently, at some point, it was Kelly's dragster.
It was actually a Lucas Oil dragster, believe it or not.
Oh, really? You could just put it there. And you got a KNR switch panel, which matches that fuse panel.
It was a pretty high dollar car, I think, when it was first put together.
I know, and it's a 4-lane car. We don't have a shock for it, we do have the 4-lane bars.
There's conies in there.
Oh, wait, what?
Adjustable conies in the bottom there.
No,
Oh, yeah.
really? I had no idea.
Oh, yeah.
And which one? Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Now that's nice.
Right?
That saved
$1,000 right there, probably.
Whoa.
That's what I said. We'll bolt everything together to kind of see what we
it'd probably be a good idea to send these to like the PRS people that did the shocks for the Mustang.
Too, because I don't know what's going on there.
Yeah. It'd probably be a good idea to send them to the same people that did the Mustang shocks. But that's nice because
Right? They're adjustable.
that saves some money. Got some Coney. And we had a set of these on the Avenger back in the day.
Yes, we did. We had electric ones.
Yeah, we did have electric ones.
And it came with a coffee cup.
It came with a coffee cup?
Yeah.
Hey, I know you like to drink out of dirty coffee mugs. That's nice.
This is a family project, so get used to it.
And it includes Bella. I wish Daisy was here. She would be going apeshit. She'd be like, you guys brought home more race car stuff? Nice. What is this? A bike lock or something?
It's a power line.
Yep. Oh. But this is going to be super exciting because, well, he got himself a dragster.
Hell yeah. We all going racing now.
Well, yeah. So it's got some good old welds on there. Dated back to, those are old ones, but I kind of like them, to be honest. It gives it that, this kind of, you know what valve covers need to go on this?
The Melodon ones?
Well, I was going to say that or gold Moroso valve covers.
No.
Oh.
No, this,
Yeah.
and even the wrap or the paint or whatever needs to be all about the machine shop. This car
Yeah, oh yeah.
is about the machine shop.
Well, all of this stuff we could make, like, the stuff right here for the brakes. Well, we had the new boot goof a little bit.
Absolutely.
I got Papa on the jack, and we got the rear end up in the car.
There's a lot of money in the back of this car.
I know, it's a really badass rear end.
Shout out to whoever the hell Kelly is that used to own it, because everything is labeled, all the bolts are put back in place.
Yeah,
All the wires were correctly disconnected.
it's all labeled, and the bolts are all there, and stuff like that. All right, you can probably let go of it now. See if it doesn't fall on its face.
Backwards.
I know.
The other way there.
There's one down.
There you go. There it is.
There it is.
That's a fucking badass. That's a badass ass.
Got yourself 4-link rear suspension, bud.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Rear end up there with even the trans, and we tried to see if the Mustang's rear tires will bolt on to this rear end, and it's a different bolt pattern. But we So that means we're going to have to get, I mean, we weren't going to use those rims anyway, but and it means we got to figure out what bolt pattern this is.
It looks like something.
It does look like something. You also got the plate on there.
And to anybody who's watching this, yes, we know S&W is out of business.
Yeah, they ran it straight into the ground.
Right into the ground.
Right in the ground. But anyway, we're just kind of new boot goofing a little bit. He's watching as everybody does work, like a city worker. So that's good. But here's the trans. I don't think I've shown this, but it's got a Ultra Bell on it with a trans brake. It's a shorty. You don't really need anything else than that. And then there's the radiator. Does that go up there, or does it go over the trans?
Right here.
Oh, okay. There we go. Well, I feel like it's okay.
It's close.
It's in there.
Yeah, it just needs to be loosened, the bolts loosened and knocked in.
Well, that's a nice radiator. Ron Davis with a fan on it.
Funny story. When Papa had his hardtail, it was set up for the radiator here.
Yeah.
Mike Thompson told him, get that thing away from there and put it in front of here. Mike Thompson and Brady Motley did. Yep.
That's interesting.
Moved it to there and never had an overheating problem again.
Wow.
Well, that's why I got 52 stitches in my arms.
He stuck his arm in the fan.
Fan.
That's smart.
59. It wasn't smart. It was hurtful. 52 stitches.
52
I don't
stitches.
think it was 52.
And 53 ounces of beer on the wall.
I would not go in because Flora would have killed me if I would have put blood on the floor.
I do remember you were just sitting out there,
Sure, just like I had done.
which you have over there
Which would be really cheap just to remake that line too.
in black.
Yeah.
Black line.
Black? No, I want chrome.
Oh, man, those... You know, I will let you assemble those lines then.
I will assemble them. I know.
You're going to hate life.
We got a supervisor here. You awake?
He's probably sleeping. City guy. Watching others do the work. All right. Well, man of the hour. Fixing to get in this rig. Wow. Look at that. How does that feel?
Oh my God.
He's in there.
He's in there.
He's in there, sure.
Look at you.
See if you don't hide.
Well, I feel like you're kind of you're slumped a little bit. I'm gonna have to make a new rod of some sort. That's a little close, but yeah.
That's what those other two rods are for, to finish the steering.
Oh, okay.
I will just put it that way now. Take a picture of it.
You goes take a picture.
Oh, yes.
Serious business. I see that smile. Even Bella's like, well, yeah, let's go. Let's go racing.
Oh, what's the burn trans?
Burnout's probably the 3-step, and then trans is the trans brake.
A lot of these guys in dragsters will push. It's a rev limiter for when you do a burnout, so it won't go above a certain RPM. They actually taught, Nick said he taught you that way at Frank Holly School.
Yeah. All right, so I made it over here to the shop. Got the dually with the open car trailer. Nice Sunday morning drive. Got the birds in the back. You just missed them, but they're chirping. You gotta look before it goes. You better look now. Well, we're about to fire it up and put it in the trailer.
All right, I'll get off my ass.
Yeah, it's got working roll-up windows, and
Bella wants to go for a ride.
Bella wants to go racing. She's like, come on, let me drive this.
I get it, though. I just kind of have to take my time and do it.
Yeah, it's full-on race car in there with roll-up windows.
Oh no, he's gonna go.
I don't know if you're gonna be able to get in and out of that one.
Let's not do that.
Yeah, that's probably not a good idea right now.
I think it's a great idea.
Well,
We're trying to accomplish some things.
yeah, we're trying to accomplish some things, and that's loaded in the trailer.
Nick's got a pool to clean today, and I got to return this trailer by 2. You got to go back there and look at your drag.
Yeah, you got dragster activities.
I got activities.
You're a dragster
everywhere,
guy.
man.
You're a dragster guy.
I'm a dragster guy. I got lots of stuff to do on that dragster. The first thing I got to do is come up with 600.
First thing to do is shave your ass.
The other way, we'll figure out how to come up with $600.
All right. Well.
You're gonna go to the fence and then go up beside your trailer. Is that the plan?
Yeah. At least try. I don't know how well this thing drives or doesn't drive.
You're about to find out.
I'm gonna sit down for this.